Hello guys, Josh here, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing alright, let me know down in the comments below. So it's currently week number 857 of lockdown, and as you can see, I've decided to build myself a new setup, because let's be honest, what else is there to do? However, this is not actually how the new setup is going to look. I'm not going to be using that desk. That PC case is currently empty at the moment. And in this video, I need some help from you guys really to help me decide what to do with this space. This space actually used to have my filming equipment in, but I've put it over there by the front window to make space for a new setup. So yeah, it should be fun. But before we get into that, you might be thinking, hang on a second, Josh, why are you sat on the floor? Now, unfortunately, if you have to ask that question, guys, you're not a pro gamer. If you are a pro gamer, you guys know what to comment. Anyway, let me grab the camera. I'll show you guys what I've done to the room so far, and then, yeah, get your guys' help. All right, guys, mini room tour. I'll show you what we've got going on at the moment. So, obviously, this is my main setup that I've had for a couple of years now. We've got the 27-inch monitors from ASUS. We've got the Alienware ultrawide in the middle, and then we've got a 55-inch TV up top. I'll show you guys the PC. Yeah, this is the PC. We actually modded this recently to get rid of that front panel mod that we did. So we're currently running the Corsair LL120s down the side, which look amazing. We've got those new Antec fans in the bottom as a bottom intake, which is pretty cool. Lian Li streamer cables, got a GTX 1080. Honestly, guys, I can't wait for the new series cards to come out, like the 3080 series, because I've been meaning to upgrade for ages, but I've kept putting it off. But yeah, 1080 is still a good card, to be fair. It still runs most stuff. But yeah, because I've got that monitor in the middle, that is 120 hertz at 1440p, but it's ultra wide as well, so it's like mega difficult to run. But yeah, that is the PC. I'm kind of happy with how the PC looks at the moment. I don't know whether to change the color scheme. We've kind of just got it all rainbow at the moment. But yeah, that's that. And also, I might as well show you guys my streaming setup, because I just started streaming. Got a camera set up here, which is going into an Elgato Cam Link. So it basically means that you can put a real camera into a PC, which is pretty cool. Got a little ring light there as well for when I want to turn that on. It just has a little switch here, all hidden and out of the way. So yeah, that's kind of good. And then whenever I want to stream, literally just stick that on, sit down in my chair, and then pull this microphone across, and we're pretty much all ready to go. On here, I do have like buttons set up for Streamlabs, which is really useful. When I first bought the Stream Deck, I wasn't planning on using it for streaming, but yeah, it's so useful, honestly, guys. So if you happen to do any streaming, definitely get yourself one. If you're wondering which microphone I use, it's the Rode NT1. It is a very good mic. Doesn't look as cool as like the HyperX Quadcast, but whatever, you know? Okay, so obviously you guys have seen the setup before, so don't really need to go into too much detail about that. I should probably do a full setup tour soon though. I think you guys wanted me to do like a full B-roll kind of thing where I, narrate over the top of it. Moving on to the filming area. So all my filming gear, guys, used to be in this corner. However, I've obviously moved it all. Partly the reason why I moved it is because I found myself just using this area a lot for filming. The angle is just quite good. So yeah, I've done that. In terms of lights, if anyone's interested to know, this is kind of like what I'd call my key light. I use it for a lot of stuff. It is the Godox SL60W, which is literally just a rip-off of like an 800 quid light called the Aperture 120D, but it's really good. And then over here we've got the Aperture Light Dome, which gives a nice soft light. I picked this ring light up a couple of weeks ago. This is really good. It's from Neewer. It was about 60 quid. I do like Neewer stuff. They make like proper cheap stuff. I think this is Neewer as well. Yeah, it is. Yeah, they make cheap stuff, but it just works really good. And then we've got a massive LED panel over there, which is super bright. If I back up a little bit, yeah, you can see it kicks out quite a bit of light. The only problem I have in this room, guys, this is why I don't really use windows for light, is because I've got obviously a window here, but because it's recessed, it doesn't really let much light into the rest of the room, which is really annoying. So yeah, that's why I have so many lights. Now, one of the things I'm going to be ordering from IKEA is another desk. This one is a little bit small, if I'm honest, for doing sort of bigger unboxings. So I think I'm going to go with the IKEA Thigh desk, which is it's like a 1.6 meter by 80 centimeters deep, which is a bit deeper than this, so it should be good. Okay, moving on to this part of the room. If you watched my channel when I first made it in 2016, you'll know that before this main massive setup, I had a small setup in here. It was a 32-inch TV, and I actually really liked it. Sometimes I miss the setup here, which is partly why I want to do another one. But yeah, as I said, the desk is going to be changing. So I've had a look on IKEA, and I think the one I'm going to get is the IKEA thigh desk, the same one I'm going to get for filming. It's 1.6 meters wide, which if I zoom out a little bit, this space is 1.8, 1.9 meters. So I think 1.6 meters across should be about perfect. It'll leave a little bit of gap either side. But yeah, the best thing is, it's just deeper than this, guys. It's about another 20 centimeters deeper. I'll show you guys the Carlby over here. This is also 60 centimeters deep, the same as the Linmon tabletops. But by the time you've got like your mouse pad on there, and imagine if your monitor had like feet on it, which a lot of them have long ones, there's just not really enough space. So that's what we'll be doing there. This is the new PC. Well, I say the new PC, it's not got anything in it, but this is the Deepcool Macube 310 case, which Deepcool sent over. Deepcool are really cool, by the way, guys. You should check them out. But yeah, we're going to be building in this, so I've got to kind of finish ordering all the parts for it, and then I'll obviously be doing a video on that, which will be quite cool. Not sure what color scheme to go with. I think I might have this side of the room blue and pink, because I got the nano leafs as well, remember? And then keep this side of the room kind of crazy RGB. What do you think, guys? Let me know. Also on the desk here, guys, if you've not seen my video on the unboxing of this epic controller, you should go check it out. I uploaded it the other day. Over here, we're going to be using, well, I say going to be using potentially, because I need your guys' help in a moment. This is the ViewSonic Elite. I reviewed this a couple of months ago. It's a 240Hz monitor. Really good. Just got a random keyboard over here as well. Now, what I'm not too sure on, guys, is whether we should actually have a monitor here at all. Because what I was thinking maybe is that we could grab the 55-inch TV, which is above this setup, and potentially use it in the new setup and actually have this setup as more of a console gaming kind of thing. So obviously it will still be hooked up to a PC, but there's games that you would prefer to play with a console. Like you don't always want to play stuff with mouse and keyboard. So I don't know whether to make this setup kind of like a console gaming area. The TV would just about fit, which would be absolutely fine. But then it's like, I kind of want a setup with a monitor just because it looks so cool. Like you can have shelves above it and things like that. Partly what annoys me as well with having this TV is that there's just no wall space. Like I would have fancied having shelves above here, but as you can see, there's not really much space to put anything, which is a little bit of a shame. So what do you guys reckon? 55-inch TV in this setup or 27-inch monitor and make the setup look cool? Let me know. The second thing I'm trying to decide is whether I should paint this wall. So like I said, it's about 1.8, 1.9 meters across, which is plenty of space. But yeah, another annoying thing about this room, besides the window being recessed, is that all of these are slanted, which kind of decreases the amount of space you have, I guess. I'm kind of tempted to paint this light grey or dark grey, not really sure yet. But then I'm thinking, oh, maybe it'll make the space look smaller than it is because obviously we've got slanted roof there. So then I'm like, should we just leave it white? So yeah, that is another problem that I'm trying to kind of overcome. But at least we've got the desk sorted. I know which desk I'm getting, and PC. A bit more info about the PC. It's going to be kind of like a mid-range PC. I'm looking to spend about $1,000 on it, pretty much. So should be able to run everything on this thing, because this is only a 1080p monitor, but it is 240Hz. So yeah, again, it's like, should we have a 60Hz TV gaming setup, or should we have this thing and use it for like competitive gaming? Also, I'd be tempted to use this as like a bit of a music studio, because if you don't know, I play guitar, so I record music sometimes. So yeah, part of me is like, should I use this for making music? I don't know. But yeah, bit of a random video today, guys. Like I said, I just wanted some thoughts really from you guys to help me decide what to do with this new setup. So leave a comment if you got any ideas. I'll finish getting all the PC parts ordered and obviously all the stuff from IKEA, and I hope to have this all done within the next couple of weeks really. So make sure you stay tuned for that. I think it would be nice to have an extra setup as well, because this main setup is a bit too big to get in the background of most videos, whereas it will be nice to have a little bit of a smaller one. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video today, guys. If you did, make sure you drop a like rating and subscribe for more, because you don't want to miss this awesome content. With that being said, hope you guys stay safe, have an awesome week. I'll catch you all in the next one.